PharmEasy Online Pharmacy Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of PharmEasy, an online pharmacy that's quickly gaining popularity in India. In this video, I'll walk you through its features, user experience, and how it performs for your pharmaceutical needs. Links to the products I'll be discussing today are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out. PharmEasy is designed for people who need a quick, convenient, and reliable way to order medicines and healthcare products from home. It offers a wide range of products, from prescription medicines to over-the-counter medications, wellness products, and even diagnostic services. The platform caters to individuals, families, and senior citizens who may find it difficult to visit a pharmacy in person. One of the standout features of PharmEasy is its easy-to-use interface. Whether you're on the website or using the mobile app, finding what you need is intuitive and straightforward. You can search for medications by name, category, or even by entering a prescription. The app also offers a feature for uploading prescriptions, ensuring you get the right medicines without any hassle. Another impressive aspect is the delivery service. PharmEasy delivers directly to your doorstep, saving you time and effort. In most cases, deliveries are quick and reliable, often arriving within 1 to 3 days, depending on your location. In addition to regular medicines, PharmEasy also provides diagnostic services like lab tests, health checkups, and consultations with doctors, all from the comfort of your home. The platform offers discounts on many products, and if you use their subscription service, you can get regular refills for essential medicines at discounted rates. Overall, PharmEasy is an excellent choice for those looking for a hassle-free and efficient way to manage their health and medication needs. The service is user-friendly, fast, and reliable, with competitive prices. If you're someone who prefers convenience, PharmEasy is definitely worth considering.